una your head they go.
You know we
Mommy Sonia, so put it in Mommy Sonia,
you know they see
Mr. Sonia,
big fish. Will be.
One of more apologize to you
another person. Who will not forgive
Now something went
you
something go knock for your head. Waiting for me, you're the jealousy they worry you. This
I know the tribe won't be, but I know go measure the tribe won't be, but I tell you they don't have children, they start to apologize, you accept to our children, but that day, now
where you go
that day, now will be the beginning of our downfall. Because in winter,
you don't see Mommy Laura. I love that woman because they take care of your children well. See children, mommy, even that they speak in Elijah say, you know, see her. He teach children well.
Because everyone watching now, or they team on here, or Kawari Bay. Every member of what I tell you, it's a correction. It's a correction for listen, big fish. It's a correction. Uimia no imiani. Tomate imia say atero. Emine woman anitage Mommy Iyore ni. Me yeti deba marokba. It's just emenoladia e homa eme.
Iyore don't palace,
this big fish
because
a big fish or go
you are now you want fight for
where you don't do what is she don't do where
now hatred now your head you go they go. You know
every time
Uwe mami jore ga atogbo ari na otogbo ari na
he said yesterday the thing they vex me for Don Priest live video. That's why they insult me Iyore, insult Oyobano, Iyore. I just dey wait for her. Today because he fall for the trap. You receive cost today. Wa mielegbe ogun bogbu e. Wa mielegbe. Na you want to dey short.
No, I don't one after the other walawo. When you plan of here, ya ka lerun salobua nika time pane. O salobua nege.
We know they hear what you they talk.
You know they hear me. Una know they hear.
Sonia in mood. Na mommy Sonia they talk to.
Okay, sorry. I pray God in his infinite mercy, he go put smile for that woman's face because a mockery kama biena or bungbe on those cyberspace. God in his infinite mercy will shock people.
Big fish,
mama like dene. A boy ni keregbe. What if no they can not tell matek and na women no. The boy anyway video, the boy ni gbemi ya isoti je. When you sort my mama I just broken. Mommy Iyore come out. Say what did this boy do no good? You talk to that boy, remind her of where the mother where they for they come. As that boy called Iyore again in the name of saying they apologize. His mama supposed to don't do video to apologize to Iyore. For that particular word, no yati again.
Okay.
It's just that out of hatred, people don't go like they talk truth. In the boy ni tani or do no badge or not your magan. Ije all kumba. In fact, also when no hine ya himye. Piki go open my person for bini way for. Wait, busy, una no be God wey dey give children. Una no be God wey dey give children.
No go deep. No. No, my love. No, wala.
Okay, a family
this hatred is too much. Yesterday when I followed this big fish talk, yesterday I checked for Don Priest live video.
Iyore ma tell me down.
Mommy Blue, they hear me.
A year for a woman in water. Walao. On any why you use hatred in your woman.
Hatred or bungbe. Yesterday I see this big fish for Don Priest.
Paris. What the Paris? What we want to talk about my beer. What we can imagine?
You don't advise people. Help when that woman don't help. You don't get what Paris before.
If you not this Paris,
wicked woman, witches and wizards. I come against you.
Èmi no mama ya afi abeni Jesu o.
Ise o baba.
O ise. No go be na o kina ni ma fi owo yi na o ma ni ma go bi o ma ni ma ba ka o ma ni ma.
Ise o.
Iwe do we no ma e bi opa o kan egbe na me mo je. Agele we na mu pa mu were be o mo offend o ma. O we yin o me gbe no mo. Oma no be or twin stake but na offend the woman the way no can ya him ya we oma na please the work am my way obi me la the way we say apologize I not like am ya apologize ya him your man oma no sabo bo ani say for me the way no can ya ta ma understand so salo bo listing and I would have do tie and neru we because if you do we ama omo no wu no ma wo keki Osaloba gbe ni maya mu no gi maso no gi iri ma meken gbe my way ni my jo bi ma ya he iri ma there are many people today in our family no family wey no dey say person dey never born e dey everywhere my younger sister there she for marry her husband senior sister 2 of them for more than 20 years in marriage there is no children they never take can cause them one day. Where this one, he never born. No, everybody they pray make children bury him. But you come out, person they call person Aganama be, and then the destiny you make by your story of your can you. That boy too small to say that type of word. Just to be frank, I could be 16. The boy too small. The pikin way boy don't reach 5 years. If you don't wear be worry, I did it. You know my by your story of your Aganama be, you ain't been a quick and
exactly.
O ma gbe na kwa kia so iwe no mo na ya gbe o ma. If you don't we board don't we zevi o we have to pe na. But if what we peki o ma get so pe na.
Mama, about 3 children at Canada. Na wa go lo pa.
There is nobody of a woman pa I think Delta State. You know what student? You know we boy na wa run, ona wa le like we shop oge, ona wa gbelivie ha. So that one no ma to la do tie wa kan no ma bia. So for that, only him in a theater and the boy not a rugby. It's too small because can you hear or rest? Is it a mafia war making there? A life here, you only advice. The way you apologize, or women Aladona, or I will not accept that.
Yes, exactly.
I will never accept that. Okay, so we are doing one woman and me the two swap for your I might maybe on no better between all those no doing here. When you have a ladian, don't know why I tell me. No man, de by star of your hana error. It has been a normal, it has been an idea, so that no make enough fear that more of you would hear. But you hear ladian, honor the ladian, no, not that way. As a big boy way, not get shishi. Ye kijeneje, emeti asigo, who does that? Only ye no can ever. O vision ye go let you know do guna. Ama e gbe no fian here, but vision ye ragbon.
Atu that west.
So okay no come me that boy o regbe. E ma ta na reme we na get time. Be no what la ni wala wo. Ima e oje wala wo. O ma keke no ya fin no ya afita. O vision ye re that ye on kuno wo ni. Vision ye ragbon. But vision ye ma ta de na ko we maybe you fian do omo. But if you do way me or Sasson, so while I will go again, no man be beer now, be beer back way. I will go rebel, no my beer. A man seeing that when I beer. A man that being off there when I beer. No, him and Nigeria.
So show me Tiania work by okay, mommy, you're the way off in your patopa.
And what my
Parinia dotia can on my beer, and Memutia. In your white Nigeria.
Esa ogimano. Edo ogimano.
Mommy Blue, Mommy Blue, Mommy Blue. I wanna we ojari yegbe, emiri yegbe. You understand? That's what I cannot kill Johnny.
This was Sharo Egbo.
All the time I wear,
the woman not the find solution.
Member boge 700 be 800 e drop e we be la woduhu cause every page meje man understand wala o yesterday important is wa ya fen wa gbuna yina the yesterday important imini jore wa yiri wa ya be drop wa ya fen wa yiro yesta ijore ma be no pa e wa stop for rubbish ni na na rena imado to ti yere page wa please wa the woman a take no Nigeria now offend the woman get one or wa gbon the wa attack e wa fi we Nigeria perfect ya Nigeria mo bi wonu after God Nigeria gi no abi em ki no na sakan e gbo ove ki no ko na beg no beg wa get one wa the 30 minutes no where wa get take a normal like we gbi Nigeria ma perfect me mo gi me gbe ni wa ni bu me ge ni am like please anytime I watch Nigeria the way we take a personal no no laje on Nigeria why go there. So every year the time, please. Allow every drop in what we do. Or what do too much again. The one who are you can see. Almighty Bonu, what the name of Iyore. You can't tell me what a coach and one like one, who that is social media, mamma and what good one. A rejuwa, who did Iyore. Oh, hold on my cat here, but what a year for you see. A buffoon. Please, carry on now. I've been a presenter, why been a man? Iyore ma what? Me ma what na gbinana. Please. What down we on one? What get down we egbe? Ya ni gi mani ya ewe. Ni akegbe wa ni si one by one. Please leave here all aduhun. Ma wo wa egun. But please was egbe no ko a big fish iguan. Wala o. What get respect egbe. That you social media mami we I am over. Em na go bi establish na hina. Agbo ko bi eze ki awon ero later. Agbo bi establish wo gbo na wo gba no buro bi won gba ma get e dog wa gun. I don't say, I don't know, correct my social media now. I don't say, go get gear. Oh, go gear. I will be a go no my one. I read the correct, I will be did. Am I here? Please. I will say, Mamu, what to the way I see you to read. This woman need the correct one. So leave your will do. In my way, can now
Hello,
money.
Mama.
Oh, I feel like no matter supposed why are you going to on your only mariba? Oh, I think woman go on. Please, why really go and meet? Why think go on, but what forget and was so done now. A woman not work on my young one mogi yuri. Oh, why a time where you came in or you know where you're a get time video. You're oh, my young one mogi or but what we vision. Please, what you quarry, Maggie or we? And you feel me, ho? You don't be ho. Oh, please. Why think go on? Ile by idamio a solution
Hello,
now.
mommy. This woman, waiting make me attack the woman. I bet auntie, I bet no verse me and quito. Why I talk? Because yesterday I seen for Don Priest live
Now
video.
before que go why ya ti sorry ni je wana wala o i of live video
Now
we
she
want
pay
to
insult person mama na. He say na
aka
my
ati
mama
video
na.
aka you know wana ka ati video wana ka ati video kan ka mo wan
No,
there
a pink,
no
what that
and
pink
go on my live
gift.
video
You're that here, BJ. But
God forbid, I no curse your mama. Why go insult your mama? Now you are the insult. I know insult your mommy. God forbid. I get mama can never insult person. God forbid. I know the insult person, mama. Now you are the insult, not be your mama. Why go insult your mom? I know your mom before.
Eru wa la bezi ko wa re topic na re. E mo ka wrong ga wa ka me ko na wrong. No, wala wa re ni yan. Go can gift.
Okay, mommy, why attack this big fish here now? Because why? Yesterday I saw for Don Priest live video. Don Priest come they play Iyore the video when he tell the insult Don Priest and no gay with Mommy Iyore. You don't understand? This woman can't climb up. This woman can't climb up. If she go tell truth, you don't understand. As she can't climb up now, Don Priest now they play Monica video. He can't still measure Iyore join her. And so Don Priest can't come up for that Iyore no. He can't enter you. Say this dress for fit time. Say I wish you no throw mat.
Hold on, I did FYP. Before Oracle Laduhu, a priest now praise the highest person on my views.
Yes, he can't say he get engagement.
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Engagement. Eri àwọn apaya Laduhu imagine no ona we
engagement
na ogun oba ga me the engagement is very o.
Yes, say na because of Oyinba na make engagement. And people when they follow na Oyinba.
Mommy Blue.
These people get hatred.
Mama, hold on. You acted like a prince. The vaccination is only ya Laduhu Mori Iyore remeto bi me ref wapi. E ma tama we na etinye. Only wa ya fe ya mwe ya dia. O wa obiara re compliment ni. O me ge man don't know why engagement in Iyore ne. Do Oba no dey man iwo. O re ne wasi ane. Eri ko ni gere Laduhu do confuse the prince. Do analyze a video Iyore ne. Ale mani ge I dey FYP. Evani ga mi me we ko Evani. Ima wa no pe. Na we no na ya fie ni mi gwere na. Ekene prince yoga. Menku e o se wa Laduhu kan fe gwere ya ge dado.
Record ni Don Priest ga pe. Record ni oja pe. Oja menyu tutu ona do anota eya temini. In the sense way record no ga pe. Ona ga record ni Iyore ja we ye ma accept. Ogwa we na do Iyore we ye ma accept apology ne boy na he give. You understand? We ma accept apology ne boy na give.
I never finish talk. Oh, Mommy Blue, I never finish talk.
Yeah, finish ni dey man na Iyore me right e boy ni ma do yin Iyore. No ya ka we ma accept.
Oh. Igwe Iyore mo o ma me ge ni ya ti Iyore we eri ono we ogin agan no o ma ge ni ya to pe eri oni gi Iyore Igwe mo. But she is saying that apology is not accepted and you have not done the right thing. That is very wrong. That is the only place.
Ena we na kwa ba eje zogun a
Iyore no better we Iyore we agan no ero Iyore o ya se na ka my ban we e mi Iyore fi an tin u ina wo ga omo he ina wo ga we yan bi obie. That is what I'm trying to say we agan.
My sister doctor work here. O ka me try
now this woman bring Iyore matter con your mama.
You know
we dey talk about Mommy Iyore for
years for try pa try poge ara dejo no salo boara we man.
Akaya my sister. Where take it easy. Akaya we take it easy my sister. Ede wa we okoni Mama Grace no be 6 children. Wonu gba no we was sick back 12. We te wa kan we. Anu we dey with normal man.
Salo boara we ne oga
say for we no fianga we constant be when Iyore general not get a man beside that every time like that.
Big mommy, 1 minute I beg. Mommy Blue, mommy, me I tell you one thing. As the way when this woman talk yesterday, now that thing they vex me. You don't understand? And he can still come here today now. You don't see the way when she talk before we start to the attack her. Even though you get hatred for person, fight your battle with the person. No carry on through another person matter.
Get right. Say that boy, he apology, they don't accept him. Because not be she born the boy get mama. Now
Now
what
because
now
of
the
you,
point.
Mommy Nora come up just now.
Now the point be that. Now the point be that.
If you
Now
go remember
she
Mommy
not be
Blue, now
she go tell
because
the
of
boy
she
say the boy
Mommy
don't
Nora come
apologize
up,
well.
constantly they even they Sultan to join us. Because wait till she talk no good.
Mama
For
Nora
this
she
social
come,
media.
not be swear she tell start. Man Nora, me not can't join anything because person character and I don't let person they know say see who person be. Everybody don't know her for that. So
Even
I
your
know they follow
character
her
is not
first.
good, madam. Sorry. Your character is not good.
Mama, money carry man now. Mommy Blue.
Yeah, but you dey understand wetin I dey talk say wetin make me dey vex for Iyore for this particular matter say she no get right take tell the boy say he apology he no dey
Why
accepted.
she
She
no
no be
get
the
right?
boy family. No, she no
Why
be the boy
she no
family.
get right?
She no be the boy family.
No
The
be
boy do
no
wrong.
be
Everybody
presenter.
come out.
Mommy Yoro no be
Wait.
presenter. Why she
The
no
boy
get
do
right
wrong.
to
Wait
talk?
now. The boy do wrong. Everybody come out. We bash the boy. Say, this thing when you do, e no good. The boy come out say, I beg, make una no vex. As the boy come out, come to say, make una no vex. As a mother, anyhow when the boy say apologize to us, we go take am. If the boy reach inside house, he go beg the real mother the way or and his stepfather the way when he want beg them. That will not be our problem. But as the boy don't
Big
come out,
fish
don't
wait.
say make una
Big
no
fish
vex.
wait.
But
Big fish
as
wait.
me be so
He get
Big
wrong.
fish
as me
wait.
wa be gema me be gwa as me be so. Ove ma. Ove ma ve ni jore te beta we area ya apologize. Ove ma wo bokba but di me no di mo ijore area can ga gwa you social media. You understand? Not be everything where you come and say go your talk. We now can go
Blogger
the
now.
first time.
All of them are blogger. They do
No, not
video
be.
together.
I mean, I know why don't we
Leave
think
it,
I'm
my
going to
sister.
budget.
Forget
If
blogger.
Mommy
Not be
Yore
all
oh
the
come
way for.
outside,
Not
all
be
of them
person
they
they put
talk good.
bucket.
If
You
Mommy
understand?
Yore oh come outside, all of them they talk. All of them they
Not be
talk good.
everything go. You I ain't the first talk put for the first time. If you see bone now for the second time, at least get what they do. He get what he bring come outside for social media. Not be everything person you they talk good. For you to avoid all these insult, all these things. Every another social media agwaji. We are doing one year way work. Papa na do me away for. It is one. So now what happen? I be this one.
Mokare, brother, Mokare.
Mama idene
brother,
idene na
Community ne no get we much ne brother.
Make box when na meje me.
I don't tell for years since I dey listen. Mama, I don't tell for years I dey listen. Me ma yo sit talk put. Go ba wa le gun yo in water sin. In water. Few months, you know.
We get gwa so fa no
Wapi? Mama wapi Sunday o. Yeah, mama get no soon. E mata na na water na where a boy ni or ma apologize to say or apologize to say where Iyore or bio no ya no tani. When no soon anything really last social media ne. Amana we say somebody must come out to talk say ama we say. Wow, we be na correct we e ko si ayo wa we. Nwaru minu jewani emwe la social media because say ram me wakin. Okere onye no dio. Okere bona ya dio beg so anything I really mula social media we give my use a trade ya settle the matter because we maybe it can move western where a matter we not do la me you give me to matter ni yo or maybe carry more Iyore maybe a matter I got me it do agbegbe o mani to ito so in you only get him and where for Iyore to talk say Oma apologize say forget the way maybe Oriama bie or ye bie forget what be picking say any no ma bie na no so ma where kian na bo bia your corner
egbe wa wo me o
Imagine.
so okay ma bie na bie na osio ma where kian bo bia your corner
no social media ma
okay, yes, now no more la jana where or was you know say Esther don't pass through a lot for this social media. Where begin go constantly join them, constantly join up for the social media. So all those things, the thing, it will be online in-laws. As such, you don't come online. Ya can't go come and go web with one room in the gym.
La wa agree.
Ya when la social media umeti correct man.
Say papa, me togo me. The same thing na the repeat is
O mani me bo orina no gwa. Ya. Obo kan
okay. Koje, Mama Blue, I hear you. I greet you well just now. I can't even there. Say, Mama Joe, Mary, you're here now. The way we have okay, my people, I greet you now. We are for enter. Wait till I hear and why I say make I come more quickly talk. We are for enter now. We are one woman. It be like say Mama Blue don't throw away and all is still there. Not gonna know. The person say we are just enter. He say a Monica no be no more me regere.
Oh, yeah, no more.
Or when no more or more my way my way. You never stay we go me home for that. But on it do a ball ne money ragno. One thing for this social media where they always surprise me. Because of omona mae bie, omona mae mie, omono reini. Waga fitan we moya ni ragwen wagu, go waga wu, wa mi omono mwe ken gbu wagwe. Emi no gbani hiya. Ugo a different domanu, omonu mae mi omono reini. Omono reini, o wado important is moya no wage bie. E moya no wage bie do wu. Wa mi omono mwe ken gbu wagwe. That way to wa different omono reini. Emma. This life where we dey, they say agbete or ya gie or give ye kwe. What do you expect? What do you expect? Akata we ene no mo emonine. Waya ladian wa gbe we ni no see emi no mo ne no nyine wu ma. Oh why enia? Okay, that apart. Another one where I want to talk, that woman. You say una dey wait for we. Make we come fight for Paris. Why una go the way for us for Paris? Una not get paper. Okay. We the way for una for all the country where una know say una enemy day. No way for us for Paris. Because if I don't get what I want to go buy for Paris, I don't go. Since you already know, say you go beat people, we go talk what you not like against anybody. The thing where the person go talk is not a problem for your own ear. If another person say this thing where you talk now problem for my own ear, you go say make we come Paris. I know they come Paris. May you come Northern Ireland that they wait for you. If I not beat you, so me I carry your ikun, you go die before Iyore pikin go come this life. Now that one I say me I can't tell you because my own pikin, when you they talk just now say now another person pikin, that one not be pikin. How you go they talk to my own pikin where they are alive? A guest person pikin where we never see. How not they defend this thing? It's not good though. Why love woman? Why tema time? It's your no nyamo. Mama where the course where get pikin. He come social media. He say thank you all of you. I accept my pikin apology. Who the hell is that motherfucker? Where go come say the pikin come here? You not sabi apologize. Is it that who were the better than no more? Emma? Why you bio who? What bio one what train any marketing and the lelua say a 20-year young we can't be white where it's not good now. If what ban the social media where we are not different where we vivi bieleka e moya fefe ne maya ki biele wa when we ya wulo eri no re worry na so e born 3 children na so e die na so the one where they be na so e die na so e die the only pikin where no go die na Iyore pikin. It's not good now. What money give Iyore? Emma. Wait till I talk. So we be analyze. Say she know they apologize. Did I lie? Juliet matter where I put that day when she said the woman gets stretch mark. Did she apologize? Instead of her to apologize, she give the woman money. That one take and be quiet.
Madam, go do DNA.
I beg you don't do picking the gift.
I go do DNA. Make you go Northern Ireland.
What you come bring DNA?
Mama, please,
Madam, you go to talk. Say everybody picking go die before you.
No.
God forbid, oh, my pikin not go involve. The fit kill their own because of Iyore. My own not they involved. God forbid.
I beg. A gift. We love you, now, my dear. Now, please. Wagya ni kato mama na ijo mo obo fiaje. Gift, no be so, no be so, no be so, please.
But na comment, mama. Na comment, na person right time. No be me they be
No be,
coming for years since.
no
Person right
read
time
that
say,
one.
madam, go do DNA.
Listen, mama, listen. Toma go out here, your beggar. Claim me ya different. Ima through social media na. Ekele that dog that wrong. Money carry with video ni. To perfect. Ikama say ko na wrong. Man do do tie but mo we be ko na wrong. We be ko na right. But use it pass. Pass ire na je na. Everybody go even na. They oga sage money kana why wo ge no. That do go ajo. When the social media but no wala no di jore use it pass ene. Ezo na ogia bi jore. Ama it was support jore the Monica. Me think made mistake in being ya gwan but we no love me have the mistake in for we no matter ni ya we ni. O ima be run always do ya na last me ke na made mistake. Ela wo head your please. Leave your will do. Allow.
Mommy Blue, why say? Pinky gift me. I know when Otapa Yagwano. I know I want to ask you one question. If they carry for instance, they carry your children, come carry Iyore, come, they come to say they want whether you agree when they kill your children or Iyore, which one you go save?
Leave your book here.
Toje no ge bava waya beba
Even in
waya
no Tani, I just make answer that question. Which one you go like to save out of the two?
Mama. Big fish.
You just like we well time when it no
Your respect. Una you will time mana. Paris even only be coming. O is okay walao.
Mama big fish, we be bullying you.
I will not see any name no road. I mean, Majana, Meti si mi wọ́n wá gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìyá ti si mi wọ́n wá gbọ́ kíbi mẹ́. Ìyá ti si mi wọ́n wá gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. You understand? Ọmọ náà gbọ̀n ìyá náà. Wetin dey too like ọma, who do see me one and gbogbo wig well, is not done. So please, if you don't born, madam, my print wait, Pinky gift. If you don't born, not the way we go talk to save your head and your children. Don't let another person matter come kill your own head because say you want fight for person. It's not done.
Hello. We're happy Sunday, oh, we're happy Sunday.
Thanks to you, Mama. Thanks to you.
Oje, Wesley. Imekiagbera, Ibamelelu everyday. Ilelu, Ikiagbera, Inaho.
So, no be me thought that thing, no. Now comment person right, oh. Now comment me, I read.
No, not
you wait. You wait.
Okay, to talk and come answer, that be the problem.
No, gift. No,
bro, hold on. Take away not wrong. Who send the message the Monica to TA? When madam go and do blood test, where my mama.
No, I say madam go do DNA. Now wait it.
Who were here? I mean, I
like gifts. Wait it be na lie.
Where you my sister Marie Manana. Listen, I'm on your Iyore.
Mommy, when person tell person father say you dey craze, that boy come reach where papa dey, come to the papa say daddy, that person say you dey craze, not be that pikin cause papa.
Okay, but now wait, to go
and this does not have to do with DNA.
It depend on for body. I never see anything. Baba, me
it's the fact.
Bamudia. All of us they wait. Mommy, you're the one that they sort every day. Not be you, ma be abi. Oh yeah, no problem.
Bajamu eh.
Mommy Blue.
Ma.
Person fit talk. With this women, say
I be they talk now. I dare hear.
Larry, why do I over you? Because na.
No, epa, we do wag mohiama. Mere mana si my gwa. Epa webe mutiane.
Me magwa.
But webe gwa kere webe mutiane.
We gwa we mutiake we gwa.
Wakiamu, worry.
Iwe no gwa na adweze na iwe me mutiake we gwa na. Gwa na. Agwa but we gwa.
Okay, now we go this near we are going to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mommy. Okay, a matter na wa drag the scene over one. I met why we were na nele the real dean we ask when the life you know. Hey, me win me no. Because I want to forget all those quarrel home.
Now big fish now can spoil this live video. Not be waiting with the talk before. Not be waiting with the talk
before. Big fish they spoiler. Not be matter when I see some now they talk. I talk.
Because the matter now another topic we did before.
Now the matter one now they talk when I enter with that.
Mommy blue because I not see now because you don't want material already.
When the boy ni ya where again. Where I see ni na nyoduhun. At the same matter my yetasi. You understand why I fear with you?
Because I matter mommy jore matter na.
Mommy blue we dem no wada
you be area
mommy blue. We wada
na I drag money cat na drag Iyore da drag on na de. O e matter na tabana see na.
Warrior we mommy blue aga ata ni na nyoduhun.
Warrior wa area scatter warrior na wana. Warrior wa.
Hallelujah. Gbegbo gift to re. Gbegbo I'm a river. A gift. Where mu Iyore. Like you sha. Like you ya.
Waya wa baba.
Gift no come back again. You too much. Gift. Wake up WhatsApp the bele. Gift. If you book here sweetheart. Wala go.
Waya wa baba.
Yeah.
No na okay ni amu ba me na we ba ma tell no concern e ba me kila la.
Mama beef fish
understand because I know
Mama, Damiho, because a matter of water na ya fefe. Waya gbegwe e matter no water. Otanu waru dari mana. Onu bagita, inguni Iyore, ingune Monica, wogi muwa. Come on.
Nguni ya tabana see na. E matter wa e tepu na wa e tepu wa check.
Mama, eniru dari oduku ni oni wa do ta magbera ewe. E pa destiny e bagwa. O working aswo o Roma se aswe se. O money ge omoga gbon ya no ge Davidi. We na do lele. Emina ya fefe no tara no ndwe no dobe ya apologize. Unyi ya makwe eni ya fefe hin. Boy na oni ya ka bo respect godfather. O temo pa bo wis bo gwe boy na gwe bo bi meme okpunu yaje. Ogwe otana na tana o mebe no ya gbe David ye. Ije okan be di go nu ewe ya su emenota mawe. Wagele doge comment ya fera write up ni je do write up ivo keke na when you accept oviyen. Ugaru gwe bura una rikegbe. Nobody will accept that apology. Understand but okpijo okegbo vie we be no ri yata yen accept agboye ti wa lo vie ngwe obopa Mommy Iyore no be to agwe o mayin mi ase aya me data na do ya je agangyo iye fanso moropa asegbe mama blue na iye fanso baropa but e mata gareme wa gagata wa take a personal issue why they against the other opponent. A boy that is a prodigal son in your panel wa kaka boda me bo otima eruna na no we na get titi kwa bokoro a destiny no be bagwa. Dem wa when a man no ya fi ye in your advice of pani wa mene e pani we no matter what, no matter apology amenaya bu na ya wene egi don le gbeji hun. He should be very careful about this boy. A boy now no set it to right up in where a man now was there the time of hardness the life in ya or do right up in ya me not be man it otter wage ga gbegwe mi Iyore mona inya me gwane e cannot yes and it's okay. He should live your life. DJ no home destiny they should live a life with a destiny. And for as in, on my battery, the more myself big bear order. On my battery, no do myself big more. Because familiarity, although bring all those things, a destiny man bring as in, oh my bonum, eraya muya, where nyema ona do mie we maybe when ya do ya fi where inya merara, inya kira, inya mera, inya jebom nemera, oh ya you bonoma ya muya ya fe where, okay, I call you my own. But inya be one na na inya do afi we maybe where inya gin yese. All those kind of why when the destiny ya fi here. The apology of not attending the destiny, no na setting where maybe where or Jani. You know what is called social media?
Paddy boy don't apologize. Which one?
Apologize, mama.
So they apologize. Briefing. No, so you don't only you say go do another video. Mama, you beg your mother. When about it all, so they beg.
Mama.
No, talk. Men are the top truth. Men are the top truth. My pikin come public like come beg me. I don't go even take her. I don't go take her for here. So no, so they beg.
They beg now your pikin. One yamo. I bet you drop him.
They don't you know so they
Big fish were all over here. Go keep your
parents.
Big fish, don't give your children.
You don't see beg. You see the mega. You see the blogger. They beg.
Big fish were all
Big fish. So where to the platform?
The village woman, and she knows Sabi.
Man are the top truth.
The village woman, no Sabi.
Mommy,
Na village woman.
Where to go? Where I don't know. Where I went to? Where punishment you were there?
Carry a cut that she don't Sabi. Na village woman. She get mad, but she don't Sabi anything.
Okay,
very nonsense.
Picky, I think you don't wrong. Why you do the cover?
You do where the village woman no go school. Now you go school.
Go to your children food avec.
Avec Picky the right.
Why she will say
so? Let person talk. Mama.
What do you know for this social media? Why guys oh mama ya bonye?
Thank you. God bless you.
Anybody no one with me down. Oh, I be the understand? Why like person? When imagine I'm my favorite with Facebook now, with social media.
That's why I be.
You understand? Everybody na my friend. Everybody. You want me? I want to say where we back. Because the social media na make be social media be as be ai why you do one munyere because ni buma ni committee when ogbina na we my committee so who save bueno save iwo ya gbon no si winere ai eri wan ewo wa wese
awu wa ma
big mommy uwe seve nu wata na
mommy blue
oruswe menia te ni atewedo gwan kan we wana you know wa ma onwa iya we egbe ya pa ehwe owu gan wa ma onwa social media wa muemu wa awa we support no na wa ro we egbu wa ba won o ma no wa to tage Oma make sense now. At least in a way, travel like is a part of education. We make by Africa we like we bonus suppose no we upgrade. Here where we civilized world in it. Ware we bo why ya be very having work in the regular market. Oma make sense now. To be honest, Oma make sense. When temeni water, but when mama blue na je ni walele na. And then no wa we tell me no magbe wa we claim oduku na wa mommy onu na o ma we si onu na mother the dejo ye
M24 now you go cry this year. Cry no go finish for your papa house. Cry no go finish for your mama house. Ogun ogbu
omani wa comment is la comment wa take easy
A comment section will reply.
A comment section pretty picky reply.
Why could reply comment section?
A comment section never see well like me number.
I reply. Omano reply. Omano reply comment section. Oma de. Tell no reply comment section ya or make sense ya. Don't name an comment section. A mess on the comment section. Agbale so gine bed the hospital. So waro erere magigba.
Depression mu ya gba yen do agbenye ma. Depression.
We can do a reply. A comment section or can't. Anybody can comment anything. Opinion so Oma has nothing to do with you. Even we tawe banyewani. Ono ni osi eni ne pisi na mo bore do cyberspace na mi mata we. Wow, when we were tired, you hear why J. No, I'm here to my can't.
Like we let those pardon me, Vani gave us one. You know, see, oh, you see, Mariana. Yeah.
Yeah, because when Juliet Itama can't.
Why here? Just even your honey ladia. Makovai, or rather, where I'm our baby Boba Saga. Na the my say wana my say my ili mahega yimya imani boy ni tiebo na ni Allah ni abedu isagan wari gbeyi na efo wari na efo aye rugo yesa no ni maruda ero tutoma iwe deni no so no di aso me ma bi e wi me ogun de yo hani hu ho mi le ya gbebo gbe ina we ne jegbe me ma bi yeah, pitching it abi Asia, but that's why boy made a mistake in it. Wage who imago Iyore to imawe image we don't have my way or my yase or my yase abi do my yase Iyore not have my yase or my yase it's okay. What my yase Iyore my right wa.
Yeah, we parents say
so it's all matter with them because who are
they? Why family not carry away family ni maybe no G. Why you can
family no me go beg him mother step father.
No. Go listen to her. I say even though say the family where you for come get as it be. How you tell no say the boy family get as it be?
You just listen like that. Say, mommy, beg your parents again. Don't be bad to talk.
Yeah, you know, but who ya damn or say, I want to bomb me with family no carry no G.
Mommy blue, hey, gumeta get on our 1 minute. Mommy blue, hey, women no mo wa see problem with social media na. E supporters of Iyore, iya kwe na Iyore gwen Iyore na we mi dan. E supporters of no pa, iya kwe na gwen no pa na we mi dan. Wa mi most things ne Iyore u ni me to be me my like every Iyore adota we man wa give my Sonia but one is supporter wa bere riju wa we mi no ma dejo wa bi ata me we je ono na ma we dejo u get a point me wa bi ata me we je ono na ma we dejo every year na support ma so ono ni emi no mo mare o e movie star now when you are we
in our first video ni Iyore will make sense, but this second one I take one because every year guanji. We know what that first one the second one we move on because you be money be
to be na we social media na ni
thank you.
Our spread here. Ugbeso yeme ya zolo man no be to tag wa very like social media we do temo e na be one spread here. So no clean here ropa having your pretty social media na. That's the fact. And secondly, okay ne brody man no toure banga ataba kosani e destiny bagwa. E destiny bagwa ka we offend them and ibuneni ha. Is vice versa. What comes around? What comes around always goes
Iyore
around.
put herself to the place when she did today. I've been waiting she did right.
We'll get a point now. So Eminoki is that where a destiny carry offended money. So when I forgive her a stepson, or now we do apologize.
Because if I need offend, you might apologize. Mona leave destiny matter. Una don't see they go far again. You don't know what will happen. Yesterday, Esther can write like epistle come out for social media. You know, if you sit down, maybe you read down for like 2 days. He can write
this man. They find my trouble. Now you go cry this year.
Now I can't comment. You dey hear me?
I dey fear.
Mommy Blue. Okay, so a long epistle like we know there against David. On wa gbon la dia. You know where Baba, you may tell me be a matter na be telephone. So if I need not do tears he have, or not okay, that na here when me ya those kind of but if not against other thing.
If they check you now, they know say na bus station. Now you dey sleep, idiot boy.
Wait now, picky, maybe
Central boy. Yeah. Comment to this say no go leave me alone. No let me there here. No let me there here.
Mommy Blue.
Now they talk now.
I don't know why they do like this.
It's talking mama we are mute
But me that they calm down now. I will be on it.
Now because of you me come up. How many times you go talk? Wait till you don't talk, no one go for, no one come back. I'm nothing they talk since. No one don't go for you run for one place for one.
Oh yeah, may you tell us the one we go make sense.
May you talk the real one now. May you talk the real one.
May you talk your own.
Okay, I want to talk now.
May you talk now. May you talk now.
I beg come out here. Now you're not supposed to come here. Now we met up with this one. May you come on here. Okay?
May you talk now. May you talk, Madam Elga.
I better talk. You dey talk well. Talk. Leave that bros.
Yeah. Must you like everything we person talk? Not you like to talk. I talk to Mommy Blue.
Mommy, what do you see for this matter? Bros, may you talk. No that person for talk.
Okay, now you stop. Now you know my matter not even too the long. See what happen. So now you say okay. Now you comment for post yesterday. Say Sister Esther. Now because of David, you see they write all these long distance. Because it is well with your soul. Normal. It is well with your soul. Normal this thing. Yes, now yes. At the time of my way, it is well with your soul. Yes. So if I don't know what she bomb me, I don't know what reply me. Nana be the commenting in boom say. Meaning say she already write what she write. She can't read comment. She just curse me. As you come now, so she just block me. Hello. And if no by one fan, it matter tell me down that way, but not what we hear any emeteta. When I'm away going. It can matter the matter long.
More change topic. Me and they play that video when I they play for now that time.